and we're talking with Seth about the revamp of iTECH. Seth, all very exciting news what you're doing and with the revamp. Let's talk about that. As a reader, what can we expect from the revamp iTECH now that it's out?
Well, sure, Dan. This is going to very much be a continuation of the iTech that our readers are familiar with and hopefully love. But this is going to be a modernization of the magazine. It'll be a fresh look, and we're also pulling it out of the pages of Transport Topics. Right now it's delivered almost as a special section within the pages of TT. But starting with the third quarter, with the September issue of iTech, this is going to be a standalone publication. It still comes to you if you're a TT subscriber. It'll be packaged together with TT, but it'll be separately produced and published, and you'll be able to hand it out and pass it around the office as a separate standalone book. We think that'll, of course, improve the visibility, but also open up some opportunities for really positioning it as a quarterly magazine that's a subscriber benefit to TT subscribers. And
Why the
the coverage
standalone,
itself,
Seth? What's the idea behind that?
yeah, it's just a way to, I think, elevate the iTech brand a little bit. And in some ways, this is actually a return to the past. iTech is now just over 20 years old, and it started out as a standalone separate publication that really mirrored the format that we use for our special reports now. If you remember our electric vehicle special report or our very recent driver recruiting and retention special report, iTech is going to be delivered in that same format moving forward, starting in the third quarter. And the idea is to, again, increase the visibility, and we'll have some real opportunities to truly present it as the magazine that it is, a real deep dive into the world of transportation technology.